So today I'll be showing you how to solve the output field that occurs in OBS Studio screen recorder. So this is the app. So the best way to solve it is go to your settings. After setting up this, so this is how to set up. Like, this is the first side you have to set up before you start screen recording, but it depends on the particular one you are trying to do. Like me now, I'm doing a kind of screen recording, so I'm using display capture, this particular one here. So now I'll go to my settings. When I click on settings, I'll go to output. Then this particular place, there is encoder. Yours will be showing hardware, but I changed my to software times 264, and after changing it, you just save. After saving it, you see that the output field problem has been solved. Thank you.